In today's video, we are going to be using the Thunder Gun. Yes, I'm calling it Thunder Gun. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and yeah. Let's go. What game is video idea was me completing a quest to get the last one. And it was called, that's the only quest, that's the only, not quest, that's the only gun I can use. But I can kill 2 people just with a normal gun, and that's it. And I can't kill no people anywhere else. There's like nobody land here. That's good. Ah, crap. Remember, I can only kill two people with a normal gun. And that's it. Looks like he's not going for. Now open that. I'm curious if I'll get. Oh, that's perfect. What? Oh. I always don't know what the zip line is. Okay. I got the gun. And the only thing I can use are heals and mobility. And whatever this thing is. Well, there's a guy here, but someone tries to kill me. Oh, dang. Oh, I saw him carry one. Why am I finding so many while I'm making this video now? Because I never found none of them. Well, that really did nothing. Oh, I have 2. Where did I get a second one from? Type in the comments what season do you miss mostly? Because I know everybody hates the Nitro season. I'm not even collecting ammo. It's an instinct. Well, I can collect. Heals. And patrols. There's like a Dunn shotgun. I would have done that. Who knows? People should be over there. Oh, more heals, bro. If there's a heal off, I can just survive a heal off. Bro, that's bad getting NPC, bro. Crap. Crap. 10 HP. What's going on? There's going to be a long time. But we'll talk right here. This is usually where I end the video when I die, but I'll try this one more time. Type in the comments and like tell me what to do. I am gonna try to make UG videos. Probably about me leveling up my dino and killing titans or alphas. But mostly if you need a giant cow. But yeah. But yeah. I just don't know what else to say. I am probably going to make Poppy playtime and Garden and Bama videos, but I'm a little late for that, so I'll make one every day of me doing it probably. It's still a suggestion. And I'm surprised in Glitch on Nintendo player too. I still need to kill this 2 more people and then 1 more quest and then yeah. No, I know a boss dropped it, so I never went to get it. But when I looked it up, I just saw it. I just get it. Remember, you know, I can only kill 1 person with a normal gun this time. I can kill second, only 1. But it looks like nobody's landing here, so never mind. I hear one behind me. Yeah, I know they're landing over there. That way. I'm probably gonna kill that person. But if I'm fast enough, I can get the gun. Can I be fast enough? Can I speed run this? I probably can, it's just I can't find the tunnel. Bro, why am I gonna need 2 same guns? It's crazy. Level up. Yep, that's your name. Oh, wrong way. Oh, look right here. I want to say this. I still want to get the mythic one. Go invisible. It's time up. Oh, bruh. Oh, mobility. Here's mobility. Someone's trying to come and try to kill me. Bruh, if that hit that tree, I would have died. I played too much Minecraft. I have the timing right. It's a boss. I could get the medallion, but I don't know why they got rid of medallions. Why did they get rid of medallions? My favorite medallion was the Nitro one. From Megalodon. Someone's swimming. Or a car got stuck. Oh, what kind of my last 3 kills, right? I get last 2 kills here. I remember my last kill, thank you. Was he? Yeah, he was. He was just killing more quests. Now I have 1 more to go. Let me go read the river there behind this bush. Alright. I'll do that quest later. The reason why I also hate this gun is because the spam. Come here, buddy. Bro's running. There you go. Yeah, I got away. That's confusing. Well, I never killed a person with a gun. Well, I can't do it now, so. Wait, gotta wait, gotta. Hey, I'm surprised you got it right here. I'll probably find out. Lightning gun, arc lightning gun. Because mine's about to run out. I know this, because I know shit's gonna close. Right. I'm gonna do a heal off maybe, so I'm gonna grab a heal. Oh, like that. I just work trying to run me over. You're dumb. We're trying to run me over again, I'll jump. Like I know he's gonna come try to come at me again. Yeah, there's a guy over there. Yeah, I know there's a guy right there. Oh, why? I was gonna try to run this over. Bad idea, bro. Fine, I'll go over there. Fine. So I know it's starting right here. But try to stay. Try to go. Because I have the advantage. They have the long mansions, but I don't. And it's already at. Wait, I can force them back. Use his. And let's go. Victory Royale. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out one of the other videos, and so peace out.